Blackwater broke loose from rain or shine in the second quarter, then held on for a 99-93 win on Sunday in the PBA Governors Cup at the Sta. Rosa Multi-Purpose Complex. The Elite went on a 29 burst in the second period that put them ahead at the half, 47-39, but still needed a key three-pointer from Nards Pinto late in the fourth to seal the team's sixth win in 7 games. That enabled the former expansion team to grab a provisional share of lead with Barangay Ginebra. The Kings are playing Meralco in the second game. Pinto finished with 16 points, including a 3 with 15 seconds to play in the game as Blackwater turned a 2-point lead into a 97-92 gap. "We were focused on getting the 6th win today, and I'm happy that my players achieved it. They really want to get that. We controlled the game," said Blackwater coach Bong Ramos. Henry Walker completed a triple-double with 14 points, 14 rebounds, and 12 assists for Blackwater, which led by as many as 16 points in the game, but couldn't shake off the Elastopunters until the endgame. Mike DiGregorio scored 17 points to lead Blackwater, and his three-pointer gave the Elite a 68-52 lead, the biggest in the game. Alain Maliksi also stepped up for Blackwater as he had 13 points for the Elite. The loss spoiled the effort of Maverick Ahinmisi, who top-scored for rain or shine with 25 points. The Elastopunters, who played without James Yap and Raymond Almazan, slid to 0-4. The scores. Blackwater 99, DiGregorio 17, Pinto 16, Walker 14, Maliksi 13, Zamer 11, Jose 8, Bello 6, Sina 5, Javier 4, Sumang 3, Aram 2, Cortez 0. Rain or shine 93, Ahinmisi 25, Watson 17, Dakwiad 15, Ponferrada 9, Torres 8, Belga 8, Borbran 5, Nambatak 4, Norwood 3, Onwibir 0, Pew 0, Washington 0, Casino 0.